Okay, but look at this teddy bear. This is the Get a Hug plush, and it's seriously one of the best quality plushies I've ever held. You can actually move its joints, which makes it so fun to pose, perfect for playtime or display. And the best part is you can get different outfits from their shop, so your little one can dress it up. How cute is that? Easter is coming up fast, and this would make the cutest little Easter basket gift, or just gift in general. Free shipping, and it's on sale right now, so do not miss out. Get yours now from Get a Hug. Go ahead and click that orange card on the screen. Go through all the different choices. When you buy one, it comes with an outfit of your choice, and like I said, go to their shop and buy more outfits later.